Addressable systems typically have a higher initial cost compared to conventional systems. This is due to the advanced technology and additional components involved. To justify the higher cost of an addressable system, there needs to be a demonstration of significant savings or operational improvements within a set time frame. This comparison is based on a maximum 10-year payback period. Addressable systems generally offer a longer lifespan, lasting approximately 15 to 20 years, compared to conventional systems that typically last around 8 to 12 years. Operational improvements are a key factor in determining the value of an addressable system. Firstly, addressable systems offer accurate and detailed alerts, pinpointing the exact location of a fire or alarm. This reduces the occurrence of false alarms and enables a faster response from emergency services. Secondly, these systems provide enhanced control and management capabilities, featuring real-time monitoring, remote access, and customizable event notifications. Thirdly, improved communication is facilitated through direct reporting to the fire department, ensuring timely and accurate information transmission during emergencies. Fourthly, addressable systems can enhance evacuation procedures by integrating with voice evacuation systems, which provide clear instructions to occupants during emergencies. Fifthly, historical data analysis is possible with addressable systems, as they log data that can help identify areas for improvement in fire prevention and response protocols. Addressable fire detection systems also aid the fire department in several ways. Firstly, they provide accurate information, giving the fire department precise location details and the type of alarm. This helps them plan an effective response strategy. Secondly, addressable systems reduce response time by pinpointing the source of an alarm, minimizing search time and leading to faster firefighting operations. Thirdly, they improve firefighting efficiency by providing access to real-time information on fire conditions and evacuation status, which aids fire suppression efforts. Fourthly, enhanced interoperability is achieved, as addressable systems can interface with other building systems, providing firefighters with a comprehensive view of the situation. To determine if an addressable system is a worthwhile investment, several steps should be taken. Firstly, quantify the operational improvement. Estimate the potential savings or benefits in terms of reduced false alarms, improved evacuation procedures, or enhanced communication. Secondly, calculate the cost differential. Determine the difference in cost between an addressable system and a conventional system. Thirdly, estimate the payback period. Based on the estimated cost savings or benefits, calculate the time it will take to recoup the initial investment. Additionally, consider future needs. Addressable systems offer flexibility for future expansions or upgrades, which may save costs in the long run. If the payback period is within the target of 10 years and the operational improvements are substantial, investing in an addressable system may be a sound choice. The decision of whether to invest in an addressable fire detection system versus a conventional system hinges on a careful evaluation of costs, payback period, and operational benefits. The initial cost of addressable systems is generally higher, but their advanced features and longer lifespan can offer significant advantages. Operational improvements, such as accurate and detailed alerts, enhanced control and management, improved communication, enhanced evacuation procedures, and historical data analysis, play a crucial role in justifying the investment. Furthermore, addressable systems provide valuable aid to the fire department by providing accurate information, reducing response time, improving firefighting efficiency, and enhancing interoperability with other building systems. To make an informed decision, it is essential to quantify the operational improvements, calculate the cost differential between addressable and conventional systems, and estimate the payback period. The payback period should be within the acceptable time frame, in this case 10 years, and the operational improvement should be substantial enough to warrant the additional investment. It is also important to consider future needs, as addressable systems offer flexibility for future expansions or upgrades, which can potentially save costs in the long run. When evaluating the cost differential between addressable and conventional systems, it is crucial to consider all relevant factors, including the cost of the panel, devices, wiring, and installation. Addressable systems typically require more complex wiring and installation, which can add to the initial cost. However, the savings in labor and maintenance over the lifespan of the system should also be taken into account. Quantifying the operational improvements can be challenging, but it is essential to make reasonable estimates based on available data and industry best practices. For example, consider the reduction in false alarms that can be achieved with an addressable system. False alarms can be costly in terms of wasted resources, disruption to operations, and potential fines. By reducing the number of false alarms, an addressable system can generate significant savings over time. Similarly, improved evacuation procedures can save lives and minimize property damage during a fire emergency. By integrating with voice evacuation systems and providing clear instructions to occupants, an addressable system can help ensure safe and orderly evacuation. Enhanced communication with the fire department is another significant benefit of addressable systems. Direct reporting to the fire department ensures that they receive timely and accurate information about the location and type of alarm. This allows them to plan an effective response strategy and minimize the risk of injury or property damage. Historical data analysis can also provide valuable insights into fire prevention and response protocols. By logging data on fire events, an addressable system can help identify areas for improvement in fire safety practices. This can lead to a reduction in the risk of future fires and improve the overall safety of the building. When estimating the payback period, it is important to consider the time value of money. $1 saved today is worth more than $1 saved in the future. Therefore, it is important to discount future savings to their present value when calculating the payback period. There are several methods for calculating the present value of future savings, such as the net present value method and the internal rate of return method. These methods can help you make a more informed decision about whether to invest in an addressable system. In addition to the cost and payback period, it is also important to consider the qualitative benefits of an addressable system. These benefits may be difficult to quantify, but they can be just as important as the financial benefits. For example, an addressable system can provide peace of mind to building owners and occupants, knowing that they have a state-of-the-art fire detection system in place. It can also enhance the reputation of the building and attract tenants who value safety and security. Ultimately, the decision of whether to invest in an addressable system is a complex one that depends on a variety of factors. By carefully evaluating the costs, benefits, and qualitative factors, you can make an informed decision that is in the best interests of your building and its occupants. It is also crucial to consult with qualified fire protection professionals who can provide expert advice and guidance. They can help you assess your specific needs and recommend the most appropriate fire detection system for your building. They can also assist with the installation, maintenance, and testing of the system to ensure that it is operating properly and providing the best possible protection. The selection of a fire detection system, whether addressable or conventional, should align with the specific requirements and risk assessment of the premises. Factors to consider include the size and layout of the building, the occupancy type, the presence of hazardous materials, and the potential for fire spread. A comprehensive fire risk assessment should be conducted to identify potential fire hazards and determine the appropriate level of fire protection. The risk assessment should also consider the potential for false alarms and the impact they can have on building operations. Addressable systems are generally better suited for larger and more complex buildings where accurate and detailed information about fire events is essential. They are also a good choice for buildings with high occupancy levels or where there is a significant risk of fire spread. Conventional systems may be adequate for smaller and simpler buildings where the risk of fire is relatively low. However, even in these cases, it is important to carefully consider the potential benefits of an addressable system. In addition to the type of fire detection system, it is also important to consider the other components of the fire protection system, such as fire sprinklers, fire extinguishers, and smoke detectors. These components should be integrated with the fire detection system to provide a comprehensive level of fire protection. Regular testing and maintenance of the fire protection system are essential to ensure that it is operating properly and providing the best possible protection. The testing and maintenance should be performed by qualified fire protection professionals in accordance with applicable codes and standards. Fire safety is a critical concern for all building owners and occupants. By investing in a reliable and effective fire detection system and taking other appropriate fire safety measures, you can help protect lives and property from the devastating effects of fire. Remember to always prioritize safety and consult with qualified professionals to ensure that your fire protection system is properly designed, installed, and maintained. The cost analysis of addressable versus conventional fire detection systems should not only include the initial investment but also the long-term operational costs. This involves considering factors like maintenance, testing, and potential downtime. Addressable systems, while having a higher initial cost, can often lead to lower long-term costs due to their enhanced diagnostic capabilities and reduced need for manual inspections. The ability to pinpoint the exact location of a fire or alarm can significantly reduce the time and resources required for maintenance and troubleshooting. Additionally, addressable systems often have self-testing features that automatically identify potential problems, allowing for proactive maintenance and preventing system failures. In contrast, conventional systems typically require more frequent manual inspections to ensure that all devices are functioning properly. This can be time-consuming and costly, especially for larger buildings with numerous devices. Furthermore, conventional systems may not be able to identify problems until they manifest as a system failure, leading to downtime and potential safety hazards. The choice of fire detection system should also take into account the specific needs of the building occupants. For example, if the building houses elderly or disabled individuals, it is crucial to have a system that provides clear and timely alerts to ensure their safe evacuation. Addressable systems, with their ability to integrate with voice evacuation systems and provide customized event notifications, can be particularly beneficial in these situations. Similarly, if the building is used for commercial or industrial purposes, it is important to have a system that can minimize disruption to operations in the event of a fire. Addressable systems, with their ability to provide accurate and detailed information about the location and extent of the fire, can help firefighters quickly contain the fire and minimize damage. The integration of the fire detection system with other building systems, such as HVAC and security systems, can also enhance fire safety and minimize disruption to operations. For example, the fire detection system can automatically shut down the HVAC system to prevent the spread of smoke and fire. It can also unlock doors and activate security cameras to facilitate evacuation and assist firefighters. When evaluating the different fire detection systems, it is important to consider the reputation and experience of the manufacturers. Choose manufacturers with a proven track record of providing reliable and high-quality product. Also, look for systems that are certified by recognized testing laboratories such as Underwriters Laboratories, UL, or Factory Mutual, FM. Certification ensures that the system meets applicable safety standards and performance requirements. In addition to the technical aspects of the fire detection system, it is also important to consider the training and support that is provided by the manufacturer or installer. Ensure that building personnel receive adequate training on the operation and maintenance of the system. Also, ensure that there is a reliable source of technical support available in case of problems or questions. Regular fire drills are also essential to ensure that building occupants are familiar with the evacuation procedures and know how to respond in the event of a fire. Fire drills should be conducted at least annually, and more frequently if the building has a high occupancy level or a significant risk of fire. The fire detection system should be tested during the fire drills to ensure that it is functioning properly. Remember that fire safety is an ongoing process, not a one-time event. By regularly inspecting, testing, and maintaining the fire detection system, and by providing adequate training and support to building personnel, you can help ensure the safety of your building and its occupants. Addressable fire detection systems offer several advantages over conventional systems, but they also come with a higher initial cost. The decision of whether to invest in an addressable system depends on a variety of factors, including the size and complexity of the building, the occupancy type, the potential for fire spread, and the budget constraints. It is important to carefully evaluate the costs and benefits of each type of system before making a decision.